Welcome. Today we'll analyze 5 statements about divisibility and determine if each is always true, sometimes true, or never true. For each statement, we'll classify it, show examples and counterexamples, and justify our answer using algebra. Statement 1. The sum of two even numbers is a multiple of 3. Let's test. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Yes, 6 is a multiple of 3. But 2 plus 2 equals 4. Is 4 a multiple of 3? No. Algebraically, let two even numbers be 2a and 2b. Their sum is 2a plus 2b, which equals 2 times a plus b. This is always even, but not always divisible by 3. Therefore, this statement is sometimes true. It depends on which even numbers we choose. Statement 2. If a number is not divisible by 18, then it is also not divisible by 9. Let's test with 55. Is 55 divisible by 18? No, 55 divided by 18 is about 3.05. Is 55 divisible by 9? No, 55 divided by 9 is about 6.11. So for 55, the statement is true. But now take 9. Is 9 divisible by 18? No, but is 9 divisible by 9? Yes. So for 9, the statement is false. So the statement is true for some numbers like 55, but false for others like 9, 27, 45. Therefore, this statement is sometimes true. Statement 3. If two numbers are not divisible by 6, then their sum is not divisible by 6. Let's test. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Neither 4 nor 5 is divisible by 6, and 9 is also not divisible by 6. The statement works here. But here's a counterexample. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 is not divisible by 6. The other 3 is also not divisible by 6, but their sum 6 is divisible by 6. Other counterexamples. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 8 equals 12. The key insight: two non-multiples of 6 can still sum to a multiple of 6. Therefore, this statement is sometimes true. Statement 4. The sum of a multiple of 6 and a multiple of 9 is a multiple of 3. Here's the key. 6 equals 3 times 2, so any multiple of 6 is also a multiple of 3. Similarly, 9 equals 3 times 3, so any multiple of 9 is also a multiple of 3. Algebraically, let the multiple of 6 be 6a, which equals 3 times 2a. Let the multiple of 9 be 9b, which equals 3 times 3b. Their sum is 3 times 2a plus 3 times 3b, which equals 3 times 2a plus 3b. Since we can factor out 3, the sum is always a multiple of 3. Examples: 6 plus 9 equals 15, which is 3 times 5. 12 plus 27 equals 39, which is 3 times 13. Therefore, this statement is always true. We proved it algebraically. Statement 5. The sum of a multiple of 6 and a multiple of 3 is a multiple of 9. Let's test. 6 plus 3 equals 9, which is a multiple of 9. It works. But 6 plus 6 equals 12. Is 12 divisible by 9? 12 divided by 9 is 1.33, so no. Algebraically, multiple of 6 is 6a equals 3 times 2a. Multiple of 3 is 3b. Their sum is 3 times 2a plus b. The sum is always a multiple of 3, but not always of 9. For it to be a multiple of 9, we need 2a plus b to be divisible by 3. Therefore, this statement is sometimes true. It depends on the specific multiples we choose. Let's summarize all 5 statements. Statement 1, sometimes true. Statement 2, never true. Statement 3, sometimes true. Statement 4, always true. Statement 5, sometimes true. Remember, always test with examples and look for counterexamples. Use algebra to prove statements that are always true. And remember, just one counterexample disproves an always true claim. Great work exploring divisibility. Keep practicing these logical thinking skills.